Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Cajun baked fish, so make sure you stick around. For this recipe, I'm using whiting skin on fillets, and this is what it looks like fresh out of the package. I allowed this to thaw and the fish is now clean. So here's a quick look at the seasonings that I'm using: garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, accent, lemon pepper. I'm also using avocado oil spray, but you can use any type of cooking spray that you have handy. Canola oil, you can use vegetable oil or olive oil if you don't have canola oil. So after you have measured out all of your seasonings, go ahead and mix them up. And we're going to add 2 pinches of accent, and this is going to bring out the flavors in our fish and make it really pop, okay? If your fish is wet, you'll need to pat it dry with some paper towels. You want to remove all of that excess moisture. Now drizzle a small amount of oil onto the fish and rub that in on both sides. Next, sprinkle some of the seasoning onto the fish, front and back, and you want to make sure that you rub that into the fish, okay? If you don't have cooking gloves, no worries. You can use a sandwich bag to get the job done. I noticed that when I season the fish with my bare hand, sometimes the seasonings will stick to your fingers. So that's why I like to use plastic. Also, you don't have to go overkill with the amount of seasoning that you add to the fish, because this seasoning blend is very rich, okay? And you just want to make sure that you have just enough to cover the fish, but you don't have to overdo it. So now repeat the same steps with the remaining pieces of fish. I also forgot to mention earlier, as I was showing the ingredients, that I'm using yellow cornmeal in this seasoning mixture, and that's going to give the fish a crispy texture. So here's what it looks like after all 3 pieces have been seasoned, and you can let this marinate in the fridge for up to 20 minutes if you like, but you don't necessarily have to. So now take your baking sheet and spread some aluminum foil on top. Now spray some cooking spray on top of the foil, and this is going to help to promote that crispiness. And after you lay the fish on top of the foil, now you want to spray a small amount of cooking spray on top of the fish. So we're going to bake this for 20 minutes. So here's what it looks like after it's done. Okay, you guys, this is truly a winning recipe. You have crispy, seasoned, flavorful fish without a ton of oil. Okay, and this is a healthier way to cook your fish as opposed to deep frying. Quick, easy, and simple. Okay, so I hope that you will try this recipe. Also, please check out my description box below to get the full ingredient measurements and also some quick tips not mentioned in this video. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next one.